Hello everyone, this is FC7,
And Misty 2001.
and today we're gonna try a new lettuce wrap.
Yeah, actually, it's more Asian, something I've never tried before.
Hmm. Where did you find out about this one?
Um, I think I found it in a book that I have.
Oh, well, we're gonna test it out today and see how it tastes.
Yeah.
So the ingredients are up on the screen. Anything about the ingredients people should know?
Um, just it's kind of your typical Asian ingredients.
Yeah. You need a special kind of lettuce, though.
Yeah. I haven't found this lettuce before. I used Boston Bib lettuce, as you see there.
So now we'll go into the steps in creating it. So what do we have here?
You're going to add your red bell pepper and your green onion to the ground beef.
And you had that browned before you started?
Yep. I browned the ground beef and then I froze it, actually. It works really well.
Mm.
So then add a tablespoon of rice vinegar.
And there it is on the screen. And then we go into pepper.
Add a fourth of a teaspoon of pepper. I usually just eyeball this. I like a lot of pepper.
And does it make you sneeze?
No. So then you're going to want to add a teaspoon of minced ginger.
And then garlic.
And 1 to 2 cloves of garlic or a tablespoon of minced garlic.
All right.
What is
This would be the
low sodium
soy
sauce.
Yes.
Add a tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce, a fourth of a cup of hoisin sauce.
It looks a lot like barbecue sauce.
It does, but it's got an Asian flavor to it, which I really love.
Hmm. Looks pretty good.
Yeah, it is really good. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of chili sauce.
Looks good too.
Yep. This one's a little more spicy.
Mm.
Yeah. But all in all, it's good.
Yeah.
Mix it all together.
So how long would you say you mix it for?
Oh, just till it's combined. But then you let it simmer on medium heat for approximately 7 to 10 minutes. And if it doesn't seem to be, if your peppers don't seem to be cooking fast enough, you can turn it up to high. So then here is your final product.
So this is the wrap pretty much completed.
Yep.
So that is how you make these Asian lettuce wraps.
Yep.
Yeah.
They look delicious.
Any final thoughts? Was it a good one? I didn't try it.
Yeah, it was actually a really good recipe.
All right, well, that's it for that recipe. Look forward to more in the future. I guess that's it for this one. Be
Please.
sure to like and subscribe.
Yep.
Okay.